Well, guys, I decided to get out of the house for a little while and attempt some fishing at one of my favorite fishing spots. Of course, we had no luck, but it got me out of the house for a while. So I thought I would share a little pond that I like to come fish at. So check it out. It's kind of windy right now, so I'm sure y'all hearing the wind blowing in the background. But it's just so nice and peaceful out here. I just like to come out and hang out, do a little fishing. Ain't doing much catching, just doing some fishing. Fishing pole, so I'm not lying, I'm fishing. Y'all have yourselves a great day.